Hello and welcome to your Computer Networks lesson on the Softclue Learning Management System. At Softclue, we believe in making technology simple, practical, and accessible to everyone. In this lesson, we will introduce you to the basics of computer networks and how they affect your everyday digital life. A computer network is a group of computers and devices that are connected together so they can share information, files, and resources. Every time you send a message, watch a video, make a video call, or browse the internet, you are using a computer network, often without even realizing it. Computer networks make modern communication and work possible. They allow us to send emails and messages, make video and voice calls, share files and documents, access websites and online services, work and learn remotely. You don't need to be a tech expert to understand networks. With simple explanations and regular practice, you'll soon feel confident using and understanding digital systems. In the next lesson, we'll explore how devices communicate and how data travels across a network. Let's get started. Welcome to Softclue.